Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to highlight text in Canva using a simple method that works for any design. First, open your design in Canva and find the text you want to highlight. Click on the text box to select it. Once selected, you will see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. Now, look for the Effects button in that toolbar and click on it. This will open a panel with different text styling options. In the Effects panel, find and click on the Background option. As soon as you select it, a highlight will appear behind your text. Next, you can customize how the highlight looks. Use the roundness slider to control how curved the corners are. Increase it for softer edges or reduce it for sharper corners. Then, adjust the spread to change how large the highlight area is around the text. You can also change the transparency to make the highlight more solid or more subtle. To change the color, click on the color box in the panel. Choose any color you like that fits your design. Once done, click outside the text box to apply the changes. Thanks for watching.